Oop. Okay, it wasn't recording. This is the Blue Point impact wrench that had the where did I put that battery? I just had it. 14.4 volt battery. I can't find it anymore, but I'm going to convert it to use this 20 volt max lithium ion. I think it's for a Black & Decker. It's pretty simple. You got a plus and a minus. I'm trying to see if it will. Anyways, plus, minus, yeah, there it goes. I'm just going to use these two right here, the two ends. I got these from a burned up surge protector. Crimped one end and attached them in there. And then I'm going to use a plastic epoxy to attach a plastic piece here to keep those in place. I've already tried it out and got good results from it. Probably works faster than it did with this 14.4 volt battery, and it will last a whole lot longer. And then the battery is actually, so you know, I got to match them up plus to plus. The battery's actually going to kind of rest high like that. I might put a spacer in between there so I can just slip it on and off, and I might even put a piece of Velcro there. But I've tried it out and it works. And then once I get that plastic piece welded on, I'll show you how it works. This is what we've got so far, letting the plastic weld dry. Permatex plastic welder. This is great stuff for plastic. Will dry very hard. This is the part where the battery will rest on, and it will go in there and actually have it set up to where it will click when it's fully engaged. And then I think I'm going to put a strap of plumber strap around here to create a place for it to kind of go into. And when that is all done, we'll see it work. Alright, here is the finished product, and really this didn't take that long. So it is now fully converted. Hasn't even quite dried yet. I ended up putting Velcro, super gluing the soft part up to the top, creating a long strip, super gluing it to this part right here, and as you can see, this part is clipped under that little piece of that that thing where I got the connectors from, the plug part that goes into the wall, and positive, negative, negative, and we got power, and we got power. Awesome. And so if I had something, I would go ahead and I'll probably try to find something to use it on. Alright, using the super duper converted 4.4 to 20 volt, and we're going to try to take off these 1/2 inch bolts that hold the starter on this motor here. Oh yeah, it's got the power. Yeah, I don't know if I can get into that one. Alright, found this this motor right here with 1/2 inch head bolts. Gonna try out this impact here. And wow, this is just getting into it like they weren't even pretty powerful. This motor had I think a rod went through it. Wow, I like it. Powerful.